You might not realise the potential damage that a serious hailstorm can cause to your home. Rebuild Relief is here to help. Rebuild Relief understands the complexities of insurance claims and the confusion it may bring to some people. That's why we offer a free inspection and a no-win, no-fee service to simplify and guide you through the process of handling an insurance claim. Rebuild Relief comes highly recommended for many reasons. We contribute up to $600 towards your excess, helping alleviate the financial burden of making an insurance claim. You'll have a dedicated claims manager who will keep you updated every step of the way. They'll wait on hold for you so you can get back to doing what you love. We hold an Australian Financial Services Licence, meaning we're licensed to represent you. Our service comes highly recommended with hundreds of 5-star Google, Facebook and product reviews, as well as countless positive customer testimonials. When natural disaster occurs, insurance companies' representatives may find themselves overwhelmed and may miss critical damages to your property, whereas Rebuild Relief works on behalf of you to ensure you receive reasonable settlement for the damages to your home. With a high success rate and over 1,250 successful claims, we've demonstrated our ability. Hail damage left untreated may cause long-term damages to your property, which may be denied and not repaired by your insurance company. If you're already experiencing challenges with your claim or have been told you have no hail damage, Rebuild Relief is able to provide you with a second assessment. Avoid any further complications and book your free roof inspection at www.rebuildrelief.com.au.